Hello students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Let us continue the lesson Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. In our previous session, we came to know that in order to get confirmation about if he had been to Ranchi or not, Bipin Babu called Dinesh Mukherjee. Then Dinesh Mukherjee also confirmed his visit to Ranchi. After that, Bipin Babu became very sad and he felt his head was swimming and a kind of chill spread over his body. Next, what had happened? Let us see now. After lunch time, Bipin Babu realized that he couldn't possibly carry on sitting at his desk and working. This had never happened in 25 years he had been with the firm. He had a reputation for being a tireless, conscientious worker, but today he, his head was in a whirl. See here, after lunchtime, Bipin Babu realized that he could not possibly carry on sitting at his desk and working. Here, carry on means continue. After lunchtime, he felt that he could not continue his work. It was impossible for him to work sitting on his desk. This had never happened in 25 years he had been with the firm. He had been working in the firm for 25 years. This kind of experience he did not have earlier. For the first time, he was feeling like that. He had a reputation for a tireless, conscientious worker. In the firm, he had reputation, means he was well known for his tireless work, and he had reputation that conscientious worker. What do you mean by conscientious worker here? Careful and correct worker. But today his head was in whirl. Today his head was in whirl. What do you mean by head was in whirl? See here, confused and unable to think clearly. Now his head, it is in whirl means he is in a confused state of mind. He could not think clearly. Back home at 2:30, Bipin Babu lay down in bed and tried to gather his wits together. After that, at 2:30, he came back to home. Bipin Babu lay down in bed and tried to gather his wits. What do you mean by gather wits? Means make an effort to become calm and think clearly. He tried to think in a calm manner. Okay. He knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury in the head, but he didn't know of a single instance of someone remembering everything except one particular incident, and a fairly recent and significant one at that. See here, Bipin Babu also knew that when person gets injury in the head, sometime that person may lose his memory. But in his case, it is very different. He could recall all the other things, everything. He could recall everything except one particular incident. That incident, which is that incident? His visit to Ranchi. And that is also very recent and very significant event in his life. Only that event he could not recall. That was very strange for him. He had always wanted to go to Ranchi. To have gone there, done things, and not to remember was something utterly impossible. See here, he had always wanted to go to Ranchi, and he had gone there, and he had done many things there, but he could not recall all those things. That was utterly impossible. Utterly means completely, entirely impossible. How was that possible? He could recall all the other events except for only Ranchi visit. That was embarrassing him. That was giving trouble to him. He was much worried about that. At 7:30, Bipin Babu's servant came and announced, Chuni Babu, sir, says it's very urgent. At 7:30 time, his servant came inside his room and he announced, Chuni Babu, sir. Chuni Babu, sir means Chuni Babu, another person. He came, sir, says it's very urgent. And he says it's very urgent. Means Chuni Babu, named person, came to his house and he wants to meet Bipin Babu urgently. Bipin Babu knew what Chuni had come for. Chunilal had been at school with him. He had been having a rough time lately and had been coming to see him about a job. Bipin Babu knew it was not possible to do anything for him, and in fact told him so, but Chuni kept turning up like a bad penny. See here, Bipin Babu knew what Chuni had come for. Actually, Chunilal had been at a school with him. It means Chunilal was a schoolmate for Bipin Babu. He had been having a bad time lately. At present, he had very bad time and he had been coming to Bipin Babu in order to ask a job. Bipin Babu knew it was not possible to do anything for him. Bipin Babu, he knew very well that he can't give any job to him. He could not help him. He knew about that very well. And he told him also. But Chuni kept turn up like a bad penny. But this man, Chunilal, though Bipin Babu told him he could not provide any job to him, he was coming to visit him again and again asking a job. Turning up like a bad penny means appearing at a place where one is not welcome. Okay. Though Bipin Babu tried to avoid him, also he was coming to visit him.